In this video, find out what new businesses are possible to build due to new technologies and how to use SEO techniques to rank inside of AI search engines like ChatGPT. You are watching Metatrends by Trends VC. After writing 150 reports on business and tech, we found 5 powerful forces that are shaping our world. Metatrends is your guide to finding and seizing new opportunities. Peter Levels built an AI therapist named Cindy using ChatGPT. The bot applies cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, to change negative thought patterns and behaviors. He immediately saw the privacy limits of centralized models like ChatGPT, so he's aiming to build a client-side version of the AI therapist that runs locally on your computer. Running AI models locally like Cindy offers a few benefits. Better privacy, as data isn't stored or processed on external servers, and faster response time since data doesn't need to travel over the internet. Local LLMs open up new use cases in areas like getting legal advice, using AI for therapy, or personal journaling. For example, you might hesitate to send your innermost thoughts to Microsoft servers. Local LLMs are also useful in places with bad or no internet connection. Imagine emergency situations or rural healthcare, or even vessels like ships. There are still some challenges with local LLMs. For example, you need a computer that's powerful enough to run models locally, and it's also harder to support models that aren't running in the cloud. Each of us have different computers and different setups, so that can be hard to support. As technology gets better, these challenges are becoming easier to handle. What new businesses can you think of that are now possible due to local LLMs? Google recently open-sourced Project Gameface, which helps users control their computers using facial gestures and head movements. It was inspired by Lance Carr, a video game streamer with muscular dystrophy. Lance worked with Google to build an affordable alternative to expensive head tracking systems. Hands-free control of computers could also be useful in healthcare situations such as doing surgery, restaurants, manufacturing, and other environments. What kind of apps and interactions will you build now that facial control is a form of input for computers? A team of researchers tested 9 different ways to get your website to show up in AI search engines like ChatGPT. They built a set of over 10,000 queries across topics like law, history, science, and more. Then they applied 9 different techniques and tracked how visibility in AI search engines changed. The methods that worked the best to boost visibility across all of these search engines were adding relevant statistics to your content, adding quotes from credible sources, as well as citing credible sources. These 3 tactics improved a website's visibility in AI search engines by 30 to 40% compared to not using them. Making the content easier to understand also improved visibility by 15 to 30%. There were some methods that did not work out as well, and in fact, they hurt performance. For example, adding more keywords related to the question that you asked from AI models actually performed worse. Using these methods can help you get more visibility in AI search engines like ChatGPT, Bing Chat, and Perplexity. We may also see some SEO specialists double down on AI optimization. This is an open space where no one has established themselves as an authority on AI search optimization. One downside to AI search engines is that, unlike Google and Bing, where you get multiple pages of results and a business has multiple chances to rank, in AI search engines, users typically get one result back or only a few results, which makes it hard for new entrants who don't have a lot of resources. When you ask ChatGPT about your industry, which businesses show up in results? How can you apply these lessons from this research to be the first to show up in ChatGPT? Trends VC subscribers have been working on these opportunities for over a week. To be the first to find out about new opportunities and ideas like these earlier, subscribe to Trends VC.